Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to customize the ribbon in Outlook. If this video helped, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook opens, look at the top of the screen. The ribbon is the toolbar area where you can see options like Mail, Calendar, Reply, Delete, and more. Customizing the ribbon helps you organize the tools you use most often so you can work faster and keep Outlook cleaner. To begin, click on the Settings icon at the top right corner of Outlook. In the search bar inside Settings, type Customize Actions. Then click on the option that appears. This section allows you to change which buttons appear in the toolbar and ribbon area. You will now see different Outlook actions with checkboxes next to them. These actions include things like Archive, Delete, Move, Flag, Mark as Unread, Categorize, Snooze, Print, and many more. To add an action to the ribbon, simply check the box next to it. To remove an action you do not use, uncheck the box. As you make changes, Outlook automatically updates the toolbar for you. For example, if you use the Archive feature often, you can keep it visible for quicker access. If you never use Print or Snooze, you can remove them to make the ribbon less crowded. You can also customize actions for different areas of Outlook. For example, some settings control the toolbar while reading emails, and others control the toolbar while composing new messages. To customize the Compose toolbar, open a new email by clicking New Mail. At the bottom of the email window, look for the toolbar with formatting options like bold, italic, attachments, and emojis. Click the three dots on that toolbar, then select Customize Actions. From here, you can choose which tools appear while writing emails. You can enable useful options like Attach File, Insert Picture, Tables, Signatures, Emojis, Links, and Formatting tools. If there are tools you never use, you can disable them to keep the toolbar simple and organized. Another useful feature is the Simplified Ribbon View. At the top right of Outlook, you may see an option to switch between a simplified ribbon and a classic style layout. The simplified ribbon uses less space and only shows the most important tools. The classic layout displays more options at once. You can try both and choose whichever feels more comfortable for your workflow. After making your changes, simply close the settings window. Outlook saves everything automatically, so there is no need to press a Save button. That's it. Now you have customized the ribbon in Outlook and organized your workspace the way you want. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps support the channel and lets me keep making more videos like this.